Hello everyone, my name is Shubh and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. Yesterday Nifty futures closes at 50 points loss and Bank-nifty futures closes around 70 points loss. In both the indexes, the major fall came after 2 pm. This mainly happens because of the Trump fear that we'll talk about in few minutes. But looking at the overall market, I am still bullish in this market till Nifty hold 25,200 levels. Back to back in my pre-market report, I have said this so many times that 25,200 holds a very strong resistance. But once that resistance got taken off, it becomes a support. So 25,200 holds a very strong support in this market. Any dips closer to 25,300 to 25,400 will be a buying opportunity with a stop loss of 25,000. So don't miss any dips closer to this level. Keep a tight stop loss of 25,000. On the other hand, if you look at other indexes, let's say FMCG, auto, all these sectors were closed in positive. Matter in fact, even small cap closed in positive. But the selling pressure majorly came from IT sector, pharma, all these sectors were pulling the Nifty down. So these are the sectors which were impacting and bringing the Nifty down is all over because of the Trump news. And today morning, Trump imposed fresh new tariff 30 to 50% on 22 countries. And these all tariffs will be imposed from 1st of August. That includes country like Brazil, that includes country like Thailand. All these countries will be levied on this 25 to 50% tariff. And also BRICS, the member of BRICS will be slammed by another 10%. And don't forget, India is a part of BRICS. So yes, majorly fall came because of the Trump fear. And yesterday in the US market too, the market fell. I don't know what this gentleman is thinking and doing to the economy. But if this keep continuing, I don't even think that Nifty can hold 25,000 level. Because every day he wakes up and even his allies countries like Japan and South Korea, he imposed fresh new 50% tariff. I don't know what this gentleman is doing. Predicting this gentleman is very tough in this market, in this situation. But we will do what our chart will tell us to do, and we should watch these news very closely. So XGX Nifty is showing roughly around flat, and yesterday FII and DII both were net buyers. Another interesting thing is that Bitcoin hit another all-time high. Gold is also rising, Bitcoin is also rising. Plus, crude oil is also rising. So these things we have to keep in mind very carefully. So I have given you the news. 25,400 to 25,500 holds a very strong support. Another 74 lakh open interest calls have been added on these levels. Similarly, if you look at 26,000, a lot of calls have been shorted around 26,000. So you should watch these levels on your chart. 26,000 to 25,500 gonna hold a very strong support. Similarly, with Bank-nifty, 56,900 holds a very strong support. In upside, 57,300, 57,400 gonna be a very important resistance. If we take out these levels and if Nifty manage to closes about 25,650, then we may see around 26,000 very soon in this market. But looking at the global news, looking at the Asian market, it is very highly doubt that we might consolidate for some more time. And yet another season, result seasons are panning out. TCS will be the first IT company to take out its results. That's why yesterday Infosys, Tech Mahindra, all these shares were trembling. So you have to watch out for these key events and mark those levels on your charts. Don't be heavy on positions. Don't take heavy leverage. Keep a tight stop loss and trade with stop loss and risk management. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.